In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Slides on mobile. You can edit slides from your phone using either the Google Slides app or your mobile browser, but the app is easier to use and offers more editing tools, so that's what we'll focus on. First, install the Google Slides app. If you're on Android, get it from Google Play. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, download it from the App Store. The app lets you create, edit, and collaborate on presentations directly from your phone, so you're set up to work anywhere. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in to your Google account. On the home screen, tap a presentation to open it. To start making changes, tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Then tap or double tap if needed on a slide or object to begin editing. From here, you can add text, insert images and shapes, rearrange slides, add comments, and even edit PowerPoint files without converting them. Let's go over common actions you'll use on mobile. To add text, tap a text box and start typing with your keyboard. If you want a new slide, tap the plus button and pick a layout that fits your content. To move slides, press and hold a slide thumbnail on the left, then drag it up or down to reorder. For formatting, select your text and use the toolbar to apply bold or italics, change the font size, adjust alignment, or add bullet points. A quick tip: select only the words you want to format so you don't change the entire text box by accident. To add images, tap the plus button and choose Image. You can insert a photo from your camera, your device's photos, or Google Drive. After inserting, drag the corners to resize and move the image into place so it fits your layout. Sharing and collaboration are straightforward on mobile. Tap the share icon, enter the email addresses of the people you want to work with, and choose their role. Viewer if they should only look, commenter if they can leave feedback, or editor if they need full editing access. Changes update in real time, so you'll see edits and comments as they happen. If you need to work without internet, make your file available offline. From the file list, tap the three dots next to the presentation and select Make Available Offline. The app saves a local copy, letting you edit on the go. When you're back online, your changes sync automatically. That's it. Simple, powerful editing right from your phone using the Google Slides app.